the stuff we have. I think we're ready for Jana's going to come up, and now that we've got our door decorated, we're going to do a little tablescape for you.
Good morning, everybody. I think I'm more nervous than Kati, so it's all good. So where would I start, Jana, if I wanted to get my table ready for this season? Alrighty. Well, this could go either on a sofa table or a dining room table, mantle, wherever you want to put it. I just started with a plain candle holder. It holds 4 candles. You could actually put anything on here you want. And hold on just a minute. And then, okay, I'm a sucker for these things. I love them. I think I love them more than leaves. So I just took one of these and kind of squished it up a little bit. Made it curvy. I bet I'm putting it on the wrong side. And you can use any garland for this you want. I just chose this because they're fun. And this is not working. There we go. They get a little out of control sometimes. It's not going to work. Put it down. Oh. Bear with me. All right. So we're just going to kind of move this like we want it, and we can adjust it later because it's really flexible. And then I didn't know which candles I wanted. These are LED light candles, and I just took some sparkly ribbon to give it a little bit of bling. It's not a whole lot of bling, but wrapped it around there. I taped it instead of gluing it, so we could take it off and use something else if we wanted later. And then I put the 2 here and then smaller ones on the ends. And these are LED lights that we carry. Put batteries. I think they already have batteries in them, don't they? Do these have batteries? Okay, yeah. And if you just turn them on, then they have just a little glow to them, which will not show up in the sliding. Sorry. Alright, and then I used these for the hanging basket on the door last time, and I don't know what it is about these. I just think they're really cute, and they pretty much work for everything. So you can add a little more color in there if you want to. I think that one's, there we go. And put one on each side. And I'm going to have to come around and look because I cannot do things upside down. I'm sorry. And I'm not tall enough to bend over the table while I'm doing it, so it looks awesome, Jana. Okay. Alrighty. Now, Kati picked out this sign, which I love for the front of this. You can just kind of slip it in on the front. And now if you do that, you don't even have to mess with ribbon on the candles. So you can put that there. We thought we'd get us a couple of little pilgrim turkeys that just kind of sit and their legs dangle. I like to cross her legs.
Very ladylike.
Yeah, she has to be a lady. We'll put his little paws up there. Okay. And then, okay, I love these things. We have these in the back. Here, I'll let you hold this. Which are just like little rustic turkeys. They're just tin, and then you've got the rusted out for some of the feathers and the wings. They are so awesome. Sorry, I just get excited. I love this turkey. And then we just throw a mum in it. And depending, we're not going to trim this one, but you could even trim it up to where his face shows better and all of it shows better, but it just adds that little bit of more, a little bit more color, and you bring a little bit of the outside in too. Alrighty, and I think, is that it? It looks great, Jana. Is that all we're doing for the table? Sorry.
We invite you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for even more great information.